In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an emo video. If you've received a video in emo and you want to keep a copy on your phone so you can watch it later, the process is very simple. I'll walk you through it slowly so it's easy to follow, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to find your saved video. To begin, open the emo app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen where your conversations are listed. Once you're there, go to the chat that contains the video you want to save. This can be an individual chat or a group chat, depending on where the video was shared with you. After you open the correct conversation, scroll if needed until you can see the video message. When you find it, tap the video to play it. This helps make sure you're selecting the correct file, especially if there are multiple videos in the chat. It also gives the app a moment to fully load the video before you save it. While the video is open or playing, look for the download or save icon on the screen. In many cases, this icon looks like a downward arrow, but the exact appearance may vary slightly depending on your phone model or app version. Tap that icon once to begin saving the video to your device. Now give it a moment to complete. The saving time may be very quick for short clips, or it may take a little longer if the video file is large. While you wait, try not to close the app or leave the video screen too quickly. Once the process is finished, you should see a confirmation message that says saved. That message lets you know the video has been stored successfully on your phone. After that, you can leave emo and open your Gallery app or your Photos app, depending on the type of phone you use. From there, look through your recent items or videos folder. In most cases, the video you just saved will appear there automatically. If you don't see it right away, give your phone a few extra seconds to refresh, then check again. And that's it. You've successfully saved an emo video and can now watch it anytime directly from your phone's Gallery or Photos library.